Hello, timeshare owner friends. I remember when I first purchased my timeshare. It was so exciting and such a great investment for travel. Wonderful vacations, beautiful destinations, and great memories. But then the cost began to set in on me. Increasing costs for additional purchases and the maintenance fees that just didn't ever seem to stop. I wondered for a long time if I'd made a mistake with my investment. I tried so many ways to make ends meet. Then I discovered a process that allowed me to take control of my timeshare and make it work for me. Since then, even though it started small, I've been able to build success, transforming not only my timeshare ownership, but also my confidence in navigating the timeshare industry. Today, I want to help you achieve the same success and confidence that I've found. I'd love the opportunity to work together so you too can experience the benefits and rewards that come with timeshare ownership. Take the first step and set up a free introductory meeting today, and together we'll craft a personalized plan to help you maximize your timeshare benefits while minimizing the costs. Let's make your timeshare a joy again. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye for now.